are split-system air conditioners. A split-system air conditioner is one of the most common and widely used cooling systems in homes, offices, shops, and small commercial spaces. It is called a split system because it is divided into two main units, an indoor unit and an outdoor unit. These two units work together to cool or heat a specific room efficiently. Split AC systems are designed for individual room comfort, making them an energy-efficient and cost-effective solution compared to central or ducted systems. Unlike window air conditioners, split systems operate more quietly and offer better temperature control. They are ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, classrooms, and small offices where targeted cooling is required. What is a split-system air conditioner? A split-system air conditioner consists of two main parts: indoor unit, evaporator unit, outdoor unit, condenser unit. These units are connected by insulated copper refrigerant pipes and electrical wiring through a small hole in the wall. The indoor unit is usually mounted high on a wall inside the room and is responsible for delivering cool or warm air into the space. The outdoor unit is installed outside the building and contains the compressor and condenser components that release the absorbed heat to the outside environment. Components inside a split AC. Indoor unit contains evaporator coil, air filter, blower fan, expansion device, capillary tube or electronic expansion valve, louvers, air direction blades, temperature sensor, PCB control board. The evaporator coil absorbs heat from the room air. The blower fan pulls warm air from the room, passes it over the cold evaporator coil, and then pushes cooled air back into the room. Outdoor unit contains compressor, condenser coil, condenser fan, capacitor, service valves. The compressor is the heart of the system. It compresses the refrigerant gas and increases its pressure and temperature. The condenser coil releases the heat into the outdoor air with the help of the condenser fan. How does a split-system air conditioner work? A split AC works on the refrigeration cycle. First, the refrigerant enters the compressor as a low-pressure gas. The compressor compresses it into a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. Next, this hot refrigerant flows through the condenser coil in the outdoor unit. The condenser fan blows outdoor air over the coil, releasing heat into the atmosphere. The refrigerant then becomes a high-pressure liquid. After that, the liquid refrigerant moves through the expansion device where its pressure drops suddenly. This pressure drop makes it cold. Now the cold refrigerant enters the evaporator coil inside the indoor unit. The blower fan pulls warm room air across the cold coil. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the room air and evaporates back into gas form. The cooled air is blown back into the room, and the refrigerant returns to the compressor. This cycle continues until the desired temperature is achieved. Inverter technology in split AC. Modern split systems use inverter technology. Unlike traditional ACs that operate only on or off, inverter AC compressors run at variable speeds. This provides better energy efficiency, lower electricity bills, stable temperature, quieter operation, longer compressor life. Can split AC heat and cool? Yes. Reverse cycle split air conditioners can both cool and heat. In cooling mode, heat is removed from the indoor air and released outside. In heating mode, the refrigeration cycle reverses. The system absorbs heat from the outdoor air and releases it inside the room. This makes split systems suitable for year-round climate control. Where should a split AC be installed? Proper installation is very important for efficiency and performance. Indoor unit installation guidelines. Install on a long wall for better air distribution. Mount at least 7 to 8 feet above the floor. Do not install directly above a window. Avoid placing near heat sources. Do not install directly facing the bed. Ensure proper air circulation in the room. Outdoor unit installation guidelines. Install in a shaded and well-ventilated area. Avoid direct sunlight if possible. Keep away from plants and obstructions. Ensure proper clearance for airflow. Avoid installing near bedroom windows to reduce noise disturbance. Pros of split system AC. Easy to install. Quiet operation. Energy efficient. Suitable for individual rooms. Affordable compared to ducted systems. Heating and cooling option available. Cons of split system AC. Not ideal for large open spaces. Multiple units required for full house coverage. Indoor unit remains visible on the wall. What size split AC do you need? Choosing the correct capacity is very important. Approximate guide. 10 to 20 m squared, 2.6 kilowatts. 20 to 30 m squared, 3.5 kilowatts. 30 to 45 m squared, 5 to 6 kilowatts. 45 to 65 m squared, 7 to 8 kilowatts. Factors affecting size selection. Room size, insulation quality, sun exposure, room orientation. An oversized unit wastes energy, and an undersized unit will not cool properly. A split system air conditioner is an efficient, reliable, and cost-effective solution for cooling and heating individual rooms. With proper sizing, correct installation, and regular maintenance, a split AC system can provide excellent comfort, energy savings, and long service life. If you are an HVAC learner, technician, or preparing for interviews, understanding split system AC fundamentals is essential.